Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to fix a very common and frustrating XAMPP error, MySQL shut down unexpectedly. At the beginning of the video, we can see the user opening the XAMPP control panel. Then they tried to start MySQL, but it repeatedly shows an error and shuts down unexpectedly. This is a very common issue. Let us see how to fix it. So let's get started. First, close the XAMPP control panel, then open local disk C on your computer. From there, go into the XAMPP folder and then open the MySQL folder. Here you will see a folder named Data. Copy this folder and paste it in the same directory. Now, rename the newly created copied folder to Data Old. 1 over CQ under CQ1 now. Open your original data folder. Select all the files inside it. Then, deselect the file named ifdatahun and your necessary database folders. Now delete all the remaining selected files. After that, go one step back and open the backup folder located inside the MySQL folder. Copy everything inside this folder. Now, go back into the data folder and paste the copy files there. We are almost done. Now open the XAMPP control panel again. Start a page first and then start MySQL as you can see. MySQL is now running successfully without any errors. To confirm everything is working fine, click on the admin button. This will take you to the Phpmyadmin page in your browser. As you can see, our database has loaded perfectly. This is how you can easily fix the MySQL crash issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching and catch you guys in the next one.